Let's make Puppy Chow Candy Clusters. This nostalgic treat only has 4 ingredients and is insanely addicting. Start by adding 5 cups of Nature's Path organic Coco Chimps to a large bowl. You can also use your favorite crunchy cereal, but I love the addition of chocolate cereal in this nostalgic treat. In a heat-proof bowl, add 255 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and 113 grams of creamy peanut butter. Melt in the microwave doing 30-second intervals, stirring between each one to prevent from burning. It may take 2 to 3 intervals to melt completely. Add the melted chocolate and peanut butter mixture to the cereal and stir to combine completely. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and spoon out clusters of the chocolate cereal mixture onto the baking sheets. Place the sheets in the freezer to set and then sift powdered sugar on top to coat them completely. Alternatively, you can also just spread the entire chocolate and cereal mixture onto one baking sheet for ease. Then sift powdered sugar on top once it sets and break it into clusters. This way is more rustic, but it's also so much easier and faster. Either way you choose, this take on Puppy Chow, or sometimes called Muddy Buddies, is going to be a delicious organic treat that everyone will love. If you want more nostalgic treats made better with organic ingredients, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.